Hi and welcome. This is Jennifer Markey from Nash Community College. Today we're going to learn how to create an introductory assignment that can be uploaded into your Moodle course for the 10% report. So the first thing we need to do is find the file that we want to upload into our course. I have emailed you the file that you will need in order to upload. Mine is located here in this introductory assignment folder. The one we need for Moodle is the XML document right here. I created this XML document from the zipped up file that we used to use in our Blackboard courses. And I changed a couple of the questions so that they were more relevant to Moodle. So that is the file we will look for. I need to go to my course and I will scroll down in my settings and I will open up my question bank and I will click Import. And I'm going to import a Moodle XML format. That will be our file format. And I'm going to get the category from the file. And I'm going to choose my file. And this is my introductory assignment XML document. I will open it up and I will upload it. And you can see the file here. After I see the file, I will click Import. And now I see all four of my questions. I click Continue, and here are all four of my questions. So now I know that my questions are in the question bank. The next step is to get them into a quiz within my course. So I will come back to my course using the breadcrumbs at the top. I am going to scroll down in my week 1, or you could do this in your general section. That would probably be better. And I've already done that once, so I'm going to delete this so we can do it again. I'm going to add an activity. I'm going to add a quiz. I'm going to name it Introductory Assignment. And I'm going to make sure they know that this is an important assignment, and I will type required. Here I will let them know the parameters. This assignment must be completed by January 19th, or you may be dropped from the course. So that is what they will see when they click on the link to the introductory assignment. I will probably skip down past all of these other. I could categorize my grades as an assignment or a quiz if you have grade categories set up in your course. And I will probably not shuffle within questions. Scroll down. And I could restrict access. So I could say that this assignment is only, if I enable this checkbox, it's only allowed until January 19th. That way they cannot take the test or the introductory assignment after that date. Okay. Scroll down a bit. And activity completion is a way that the students can know whether they've done the assignment or not using checkboxes. If you have that set up in your course settings, you could have them manually mark the activity as completed, or activity is complete when conditions are met, and that could be when they viewed it or when they received a grade. You could also say don't indicate activity completion. But I would probably set the conditions and say they must receive a grade to complete the activity. That way you know that the introductory assignment is completed and it has been graded. Now I will save and display. And at this point I can go ahead and add questions to my quiz. So I'm going to edit quiz. And now my question bank shows up over here on the right. And I'm going to drop down. And I'm going to find introductory assignment, and you can see there are 4 questions within the assignment. And now I'm going to select all of them, and I'm going to add them to the quiz. Now, depending on your grading policy, I will leave this up to you. Since there are 4 questions, I might make them each worth 5 points and let my introductory assignment be worth 20. And that would make sense to me. And once I am finished with that, I click Save. And now my quiz should be added to my course. So if I come back up here to my breadcrumb and click on my course, let's check and see how the quiz looks. And here it is, introductory assignment required, and it's restricted. It's available until January 18th, 2012. So I actually want this to be available until January 19th. So let me click on my edit button, and I realize now that when I made it available until January 19th, it did not allow it to be accessed on the 19th. So I may want to make that the 20th. But actually, if I disable this, I can hide the test after that date as well. So I think that's what I'll do, just to be safe. And you can attempt the quiz and preview it if you would like to see what it looks like. And I'll scoot it over so it's under the other assignments. And that is pretty much my introductory assignment. I would make sure they know it's required. That's all for now. Thanks.